still recall the morning light. On those dusty roads my heart took flight, running wild where the river bends, splashing water on my childhood friends. Mama's kitchen, the smell of spice, curry simmering, oh it felt so nice. Sweet mangoes hanging from the trees, summer evenings danced on a warm breeze. Oh my village, sweet Puriang, where every corner holds a song. Love and laughter, the night so bright. In my heart you'll always shine. Oh my village, I'm home tonight. Under starlit skies we'd share our dreams. Whispers of love flowed like mountain streams. First kiss hidden by the old pine tree. You were my world, and you still are to me. Harvest festivals, colors would ignite. Bonfire glow, oh what a sight. Laughter echoed down the lanes. With every moment love remains. Oh my village, sweet Puriang, where every corner holds a song. Love and laughter, the night so bright. In my heart you'll always shine. Oh my village, I'm home tonight. Now I wander but my heart stays true. Every road I take leads back to you. With every sunset chasing the day, my love for you will never stray. Oh my village, sweet Puriang, where every corner holds a song. Love and laughter, the night so bright. In my heart you'll always shine. Oh my village, I'm home tonight. So here's to memories, old and dear. Each whisper